unboxing the Pero Family Farms Healthy Box, which is available at Sam's Club. And it was just arrived today. It was overnighted. So let's see what we've got. We've got some green beans in a microwavable bag. We have organic cucumbers, zucchini, butternut squash, some fresh bell peppers, what they call a fajita mix, which is bell peppers and onions, and more green beans mixed with yellow beans. And as you can see, they've packed it real well with the ice packs. It was freshly overnighted, so it just arrived, and everything is organic.